This is an unboxing video of the Supreme Kaweco collaboration where they branded a Kaweco All Sport mechanical pencil as a Supreme product. I purchased this on StockX. It was originally from the 2018 collection and it retailed for about $72. That was a very fair price. Obviously, you can see that this is it's packaged and verified by StockX. So let me show you how this arrived. You can see the green authentic sticker, and it's perforated so that if you try to peel it off, it will deteriorate. The box doesn't have any special marking on it to indicate the type of writing implement inside, but it is saying that it's printed in Germany, and there's the Kaweco logos and the Supreme logo. All right, so this has been sealed. So in order for me to open this, I'm going to have to cut open the bag and extract the pencil. You know, you can already see that there's a little crease here. So this is probably the end at which it was unboxed. Let me see. So there's a really cool thing about this particular collaboration. It comes with a Supreme lead. That's one of the really cool things about this. And if it was made by Pentel, even better. So, you know, here's, wow, no, oh my goodness. There was a Kaweco sticker inside. Let me see if I can salvage this a little bit, but it looks like it's damaged beyond repair. Oh, that's such a shame. All right, I'm gonna leave it like this because it's gonna take me too long to try to preserve this, but it's really, really a shame that that happened. So you have the Kaweco AL pencil, that's a Supreme barcode, UPC, but and it says it's, you know, season fall 18, some sort of batch number, black. I actually have a Kaweco All Sport fountain pen that the AL and All Sport means aluminum. So you can see that, let me just take this out. This only has Supreme branding and it looks like it's embossed. You know, it looks like it's pretty good. I mean, this does feel like it's aluminum, but it does have the standard, let me see if I can make it zoom or focus. Oh, it's terrible. Let's see if I can focus on this. Yeah, so you can see that it has the Kaweco logo, just like this. Zoom back in on this. All right, so it says made in Japan. Awesome. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, there does seem to be indeed the correct number of lead in here. Let's see if we can open this up and show you what it is to replace the lead. So that feels really nice. I think this is indeed aluminum as well. And you can see, I'm not gonna try to like totally disassemble it, but that looks pretty sturdy. It's got nice weight to it. I suspect that's just a weight. It says that you should only fill this with this is like the instruction manual, 2 pieces at a time. So I think this is only filled with one piece of lead. And let me just pop that back on. So let's compare the weight. So these 2 All Sport writing implements do appear to be of similar weight. So this is what it would look like if it had actual Kaweco branding. And this is made in Germany. It's not clear. Yeah, so let's put this next to each other. So, you know, it's similar, but I wouldn't say they look amazing next to each other, but that's fine. So this is a very satisfying metallic sound when you clink it together. Let me just clink this. Yeah, these are definitely metal. It's just that because there's no like, it's not one piece construction, but there's really only one piece to it. Let me do a quick writing test. So, the quick round fox. In terms of ergonomics, it feels great. It feels really great. If it was any shorter, it would not feel so great. But it feels really, really fun. I mean, it's adorable to be writing with like a big pencil. Let's see. It seems precise. I have no complaints. It is 0.7. I prefer 0.5 lead, but that's not really a big deal. One thing that you may not be used to in the mechanical pencils is the lack of a eraser. So I wonder if there's any issue with that. It's really fun to hold this way. So if you're trying to fill in, let's say, this triangle here, it seems to work quite well. To be honest, I would prefer that there was some more Kaweco branding on this. You can just see that. I'll just focus on the logo down here. Okay, so this, we definitely don't want to miss this. This is an instruction manual. Oh wow, look at this. Look at that. It's a professional, it's a police officer, it's someone who's wearing a bow. Wow, okay, so that's worth inspection more later. So we have the fountain pen that is similar to what I showed you before. The sport, that's this one. We have the ballpoint pen, which Supreme also did a collaboration with Kaweco on. Then we have the mechanical pencil. That's what we're looking at today here. So it's the mechanical pencil on the right side. It's the Druckbleistifte. And then this is a Kaweco gel roller. That's pretty nice. So there we go. I didn't want us to miss anything. The clutch pencil, yeah, so awesome. This was really important that we got to this. Okay, so I think this is a suitable end to the video. Thanks for watching. See if I can repair it. There we go. Good as new. I'm not being serious, but it's salvageable. I think this is it's a good effort.